Hi everyone, this is Noel, CEO and co-founder of Tinkery, calling in from sunny Spain. So what I'm presenting to you is a solution to a problem that, oops, let me figure out how to change page. There you go. A problem that all marketing, sales, and customer success operations individuals have today, which is the fact that they usually spend 2-3 days a week on tasks that add absolutely no value to their businesses. Those are tasks related to understanding their piece of the business. Can be understanding what the return of a certain campaign is, if you're in marketing, what the forecast for next month is going to be, if you're in sales, or why are my customers unhappy or super happy. The problem with existing solutions, business intelligence tools, is the fact that they always assume that the data is ready to be visualized, and the reality is that this is never the case. So this leads to decisions that are made in an inefficient manner based on that feeling often, and yeah, so leading to decisions or to actually insights that are not accurate. How do we solve that? So first, we focus on medium-sized companies. There are solutions for enterprise customers, but not really for medium-sized organizations where you don't have a data team, you don't have data scientists supporting you. So it's a tool for operators, for people that are not technical, that allows you first to connect all your data sources. So if you're in marketing, this might be a CRM, 1, 2, 5, 10 Excel sheets, Google Analytics, ads tools, whatever it is. You can do that manually, super easily in a couple of clicks. The tool contextualizes all that information, understands what you're connecting to it, understands also or knows what you plan to use it for, and then automatically detects anomalies. It automatically does an initial cleanup and enrichment of the information, and it allows you also with a ChatGPT style of tool or workbench, as we call it, to continue cleaning up the data, to filter it down, to visualize it, to make calculations, whatever you need. And eventually, then you can create those graphs, put it on a dashboard, and also create scenarios for the future. So not only looking at historical information, but also what would happen if I change my sales strategy, or what could I do in order to reduce my churn, for example. What we are seeing with initial customers, with our pilots and design partners, is that this decreasing by 80% the time that these individuals are spending on data preparation and data consolidation, which in turn increases the conversion rates and also decreases the total cost of ownership for different tools. This is how it looks. This is the dashboard piece. This will be the workbench. And from a licensing or business model perspective, we are following a very simple model. So we launched in beta a few weeks ago. We are launching commercially, officially in 3 weeks, around the 15th of June, with 2 models, so 35 and 199 euro per month. Again, for SMBs, something that's affordable, focusing a lot on PLG, which means product-led growth, which means something that's intuitive, easy to use, driving very quickly to value. So these are individuals that cannot spend hours trying things out. And we'll be launching in North America initially and Western Europe. We have a team of eight individuals right now. 6 of us are full-time. Jorge, who is the one with funky picture, is the CTO and co-founder. He brings a lot of expertise in data, machine learning, and AI. He's been an entrepreneur before as well. I'm an engineer, but I've been always working in customer-facing roles, in marketing, sales, communications, digital transformation. And I also founded two startups in the past. As I mentioned, so launching in 3 weeks, we have a number of pilots live, about 20 LOIs already with clients as well, expecting to sign our first major clients this or next week, and commitment from investors. So in regards to that, raising a very small round of up to 250,000 euro, we have 175 committed. I'll be happy with 200, so we don't need to fill it in completely. And yeah, so accepting tickets of 25K up, and happy to continue the discussion with you. Thank you very much.